Hello. So one of my coworkers offered me a lot of bonsai pots, pots from trees that died on her, and asked me in return to give her this pot back with a Japanese maple inside. And I have a lot of Japanese maples from air layers that I did on my bigger trees, and I'm going to use one of the air layers and give her back her pot with the Japanese maple inside. So you already know this, the little piece of mesh to prevent the substrate from washing out when you water it. And I prefer pots with bigger drainage holes. These are very small. This will take a while draining, but it is what it is, and she'll have to deal with it. And she also gave me like a small rock that probably was in a bonsai pot, and also some volcanic gravel that I'm going to use with the mix for her pot. So I'm going to take my air layer out of the pot. Although we had some warm weather for the last 2 or 3 weeks, it cooled down again. It's around 20 Celsius, so it's not too hot for me to do this. Some soil worms. This is a really good sign. Okay. And I'm going to use this wire here. This is a 3 millimeter wire. And the purpose of the wire is to secure the tree onto the pot, and also to wire the tree, to wire the tree and give the trunk some shape. shall I use the rock that came with the pots that she gave me? Why not? So Japanese maples, they grow fast, they develop fast, and I will tell my coworker, my colleague, that she needs to bring me the tree back to remove the wire by the end of summer. Although I'm going to try to keep an open coil so it takes longer until it starts biting. You know that uh, the purpose of doing this with the wood stick is to get the soil in contact with the roots. not easy with all this wind. Okay, and this isn't easy to see with all this wind, but what I'm trying to achieve here is that I'm trying to balance the energy on the right side, on your left side, with the energy on the right side. I imagine having a crown, the apex here, and then some leaves hanging on this side, and then a second crown down here on this side here. It needs time to develop. It's almost done. I just want to use some kind of small rocks, gravel, just to change the appearance of the topsoil. And usually I get gravel for aquariums, like really thin gravel, only for the top layer. That's it. If you could drop a line and leave a comment with your thoughts about this process, I would appreciate it a lot. Have a great week. Take care. See you next weekend. Bye bye.